round of Bosco King 2020. Congratulations to all of you again, boys. You were awesome yesterday. Okay, in the question answer round, yes, you really deserve that round of applause. You all were excellent, but again, we have to choose our top five, and the results are here with me. So, without delaying the process, okay, without asking you to guess, without asking you to think so much, because you have a lot to think anyway, I'm going ahead with the results. So we begin. The first one to go into the top five is contestant number two. Yes, that's Nathan for you. Congratulations, Nathan. You can say a hi when you're there, okay? When we tell your name. Yes. Then we have the next one, contestant number three. Contestant number three. The next person to go. Dhruv, are you there?
Yes, miss.
Yes. You're supposed to smile when your name is announced. Yeah, that's important. You were looking so serious that I was actually a little doubtful whether it was you. Okay, so contestant number three. Okay. The next one to go into the next round, the top five round, is contestant number eight. Congratulations.
Thank you,
That
Miss.
is yes. The next one is contestant number, he's already smiling a lot, I think. Contestant number nine. Yes, yes, the smile is there already.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, contestant number nine. And the last, but definitely not the least, go into the top five is contestant number 13. Congratulations,
Thank
that
you,
is
Miss.
there for you. Yes. So, as we said before, also, it was a great experience working with all of you. All of us teachers will agree to this. It was wonderful. It has been a very, very different and challenging experience for all of us, but it has been wonderful. So, thanks to all of you. I would now request the others who have not gone into the next round, please leave the meet. Thank you, boys.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajesh. Okay, so it's only us. Okay, so the heart starts beating fast. Okay, but I think this is a little more comfortable than what you did yesterday. Yesterday's challenge, if you have gone through, this is good. As we said, one is that you will be pinned at different times. So, you will be seen. So, one very important factor is that the judges should know that you are looking only into your paper and you are writing. Okay. So, it goes like this. I will give you a question. I will ask you a question. You have 1 minute to think. Okay. One of us, either Miss Perpetual or me, will tell you to stop after 1 minute. You will stop thinking and you will start writing. So you will think what you want to write, and then you have 2 minutes to write. The moment we tell you to stop, okay, 2 minutes again, we'll tell you to stop. You will click a picture of what you have written and you will send it immediately to Miss Perpetual. Okay, so you will click a picture and immediately after 2 minutes, you will send it to Miss Perpetual. And after that, we will also give you a chance to read what you have written. So it's but natural that you will read only what you have written. Okay, do not, even as far as possible, do not change the grammatical errors that you have made. Avoid it. Just read whatever you have written. Okay, shall we begin? Okay. Is 2020 a year to be forgotten or remembered? Explain. Is 2020, I repeat, is 2020 a year to be forgotten or remembered? Explain. Your time starts now. Time up. You can start writing. Time up, boys. Stop writing. Stop writing. Look straight. Sit up straight. Yes. Okay. Immediately, as I told you, click the picture and send it to Miss. And once Miss receives all the pictures, then we will ask you to read.
Miss to Miss Perpetual, right?
Yeah, to Miss Perpetual. Receive all five? Yes, done?
Okay, I'm
Okay.
sending it. Just a minute.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. So, shall we have Nathan reading it first?
Miss, just a minute. Just a minute.
One, yeah. Okay, okay.
I'll just forward it.
Yeah.
All of them send na, Miss Perpetual?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nathan.
A very good afternoon to everyone. This is contestant number 2. According to me, this year of 2020 should never be forgotten because this year has given us many life lessons. As COVID struck us and we lost many favorite personalities that we as children looked up to.
Group.
2020 was a year that can never be forgotten, as we have faced a lot of hardships. Millions of people lost their jobs, millions of people lost their lives. But on the other hand, it gave us some lessons that we will remember throughout our lives. Thank you.
So then let's do that. Dean, start.
Thank you for the question, Miss. People say 2020 is a year to be forgotten. But in my opinion, 2020 is a year that we all need to remember because it is very rare that we see something like this again. If it weren't for 2020, we would not discover all our hidden talents and we wouldn't have known the impact of technology. Thank you.
Good.
Keegan.
In my opinion, 2020 is not a year to be forgotten. This year has taught us the importance of family in our lives. It has taught us to stay healthy and keep going. Even though we couldn't meet our friends, our relatives, and socialize, we still had time to bring out our best in ourselves.
Next is Hriday.
Hriday.
Thank you for the question. 2020 will go down as the noblest year in the history of mankind. In our lives, we never hide our failures and bad times. We overcome them and tell it to others about it. So 2020 will be marked as a very important year where we fought together and succeeded even after many losses.
Great. Third was,
Nathan.
well said, all of you boys. It was really nice to see that none of us, in spite of our difficulties, want to forget this year. We do not want to forget this year. We will remember it where we all met probably in a different light altogether. Okay, thank you very much to all of you.